Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. Our gospel for today is a continuation of the gospel of yesterday. Yesterday, we heard the story of the two disciples, one of whom was named Cleopas, returning from Jerusalem on their way to Emmaus. And while they were traveling, a stranger joined them, and they had conversation. And then they realized, after he has gone, that it was the Lord. The beginning of today's gospel is the end of yesterday's gospel. And here, for the first time, Jesus appeared to his disciples, the 11. And the first greeting of Jesus was, "Peace be with you." Jesus wanted to put calm in their troubled hearts. But the disciples could not believe that it is the same Jesus that they see. May iba, may naiba, pero siya pa rin. So in order to, there are two reasons why he said the following. "Look at my hands and my feet, that it is myself." And he showed them his hands and his feet. Ano yung meron sa kanyang mga kamay at sa kanyang mga paa? Sabi niya sa kanyang mga alagad, "Tingnan niyo ang aking mga kamay at ang aking mga paa." Ano yung meron doon? Yung sugat. Yung sugat ng pagkapako. You see the image of the risen Christ. There is wound on the right hand, and there is wound on the left, and there is wound on the side. So the wounds that Jesus wanted the disciples to see show that he is the true Jesus. The wounds were meant to identify himself. Ako ito. Tignan nyo ang aking mga sugat. Ako ito. Huwag na kayong magduda. Ang totoong Mesiyas, ang totoong Kristo, ang totoong Jesus ay may sugat. That is his identity, the wounds. But the second reason why Jesus wanted to show the wounds to the disciples was not only to identify himself, but to show them what he did for love. You know, there is a musical. The title of the musical is A Chorus Line. A Chorus Line. And in that musical, one of the songs is entitled What I Did for Love. Siguro sa mga 60s dito, alam yon. The lyrics go this way. Kiss today, goodbye. Kiss today, goodbye. The sweetness and the sorrow, wish me luck, the same to you. But I can't regret what I did for love, what I did for love. What are we willing to do for love? Jesus was willing to die on the cross for love. And when he showed them the wounds, he could have said, "This is what I did for love." Ang kanyang mga sugat ay nagpapakilala kung sino siya, at ang kanyang mga sugat ay nagpapakita kung hanggang saan siya handang magmahal. Kaya nga, yung taong walang sugat ay isang taong hindi handang magmahal. Many of us have wounds, some hidden, some seen. But you ask yourself, bakit ka nagkasugat? Bakit ka nasugatan? At marami magsasabing, ang sugat na ito ay bunga ng aking pagmamahal. Sapagkat ang isang taong hindi handang masugatan ay hindi handang magmahal. Kaya nga kapag tinanong natin si Jesus, Lord, how much do you love me? And He would say, this much. I love you until death. I love you. I am willing to have wounds for you. Amen.